Every product begins with a story, and too often that story ends as waste. To build a sustainable future, we must reimagine every product's journey. In Bangladesh, materials arrive from across the globe before the creation begins. Each fabric, button, zipper, or thread carries its own unseen journey. And that story now has a digital home, the Digital Product Passport. Mandated by the European Union under the Ecodesign for Sustainable Products Regulation, or ESPR. The DPP contains a product's identity, origin, materials, repair, and end-of-life instructions. It sets social and environmental standards that define how products must be responsibly made. Under DPP, every product or batch receives a unique digital ID, a QR code, NFC tag, or RFID chip. This digital ID links to a secure database tracking the product's entire life cycle. The database records material sources, sustainability credentials, logistics, and carbon footprint. Our state-of-the-art traceability platform captures, verifies, and connects this data in real time. With each scan, anyone can access the verified story of a product's entire life cycle. SourceTrace supports DPP across textiles, leather, jute, electronics, and battery systems, bringing every industry into one connected ecosystem. Our platform connects regional producers in Bangladesh with global buyers and regulators. For garment exporters, DPP means capturing accurate data from every supplier tier. Tier 1 manufacturers collect data from accessory, cotton, and yarn suppliers to create one unified record. This ensures independent verification, audits, and certifications, guaranteeing data accuracy. Regulatory bodies like the EU or national authorities can instantly check compliance. The EU is still finalizing full standards, but DPP is setting the foundation for global standardization. Every DPP entry also includes data for repair, reuse, and recycling. End-of-life instructions make disposal and recycling easier and more efficient. This process ensures products re-enter the production cycle instead of landfills. This is what drives a circular economy and a more sustainable future. Through DPP, transparency and traceability combine to drive sustainable trade. Most garment exporters in Bangladesh are still learning how DPP will operate. SourceTrace helps build this readiness, supporting digital compliance and capacity building. Together, we are making every supply chain digitally traceable and globally compliant. SourceTrace, providing traceability platforms across 350-plus value chains since 2007. We are ready to take you through your digital product passport journey with us.